Hello guys, today we are going to see the topic reduce operator. So before going to the reduce operator, to do some calculations on the internal table, earlier in normal above what we will do, so we will loop the internal table with some specific conditions and we will declare one local variable for that. So after that we will iterate the loops based on some condition if we want. So we will store that value in a local variable and then we will use it. So this is what we do for in looping count operations in normal ABAP. To reduce that code and to make it more effective, we are going to use reduce operator in ABAP 7.4 syntax. So reduce operator is nothing but it iterates and produce result of specified data types. So just it is going to do some calculation based on some condition. If you in real time cases we will use it is for counting and counting based on some condition like document types. So how many document types I have in this internal table. So if you want to do some concatenations on the string level, so if you want to sum up all total values in the internal table, so with specific conditions, so for those real-time cases we will use the reduce operator. So I got one requirement from my business client. So I'm actually designing an Adobe form. So in that Adobe form, I'm going to display the IBAN value. The IBAN value is nothing but it is an international bank account number. So this international bank account in table wise, how it is stored in the sense. Let me show you. So this is the TBAN table. This TBAN table you can see. So this is the actual IBAN value. So this IBAN value is stored in the table. Okay, so there is no any space between this table IBAN value. Okay, so uh, to display this value in the in Adobe form, so client actually how's giving me the recommendation like I need to see this IBAN value in Adobe form with space. So after every character, I have to give a space between after four characters. So this is the actual requirement. So now what we are going to do, so we are going to achieve this logic using reduce operator in real time scenario. So let's see how I achieved this logic in real time cases using reduce operator. So first let me pick the value from the IBAN table. So let me pick this is the bank account number. So we are going to pass this bank account. So after picking the value from the IBAN table, so let's use the okay. So inside this reduce operator, I'm going to just initialize the one local variable. First let me code and then I will explain you each and uh, of part of the code. So first what I'm doing in reduce operator, so I'm just declaring one local initialization variable here. It is string type. So here I'm used is character as like it is a backtick uh, keyword that we have to use here. So this is string type. So and let me tell you how it is string type. So see here the fiban type is actually a string type, not character. So we are going to it is like a string character. So we have to give a space for all the uh, after four characters we have to give a space. So if I give this quotation in the end, we can see it behaves like a type C. It is a character type. So we are not going to use the character type. So that we have to use this backtick character here. So this is the first one. We are just initializing the temporary initialization variable with string type. So this is nothing but string type declaration here. So now what we are going to do, we are going to use for operator for n equal to 0. So n equal to 0 in the sense for the first time it should be it should be 0, and then I am giving the condition like then n plus 4. So for each and every four after every four characters we have to give the space, right? So it should increment the value with 4 times. So and I am checking the condition like while n less than string length. So that string length is actually 32 character, so it should be less than 32 until while n is less than string length, so it should go for the iteration. So this is the condition that we are going. So for the first iteration, what it will do, it will first pick the value n equal to 0, and then it will come here. So the fiban value is actually an empty. So it will first it will be an empty, and then it will concatenate the IBAN value plus this is an offset. So now our n value is 0, 0 of 4 in the sense. So first it will print the SA98 value. So after that what it will do, it will check the condition here. So here our n condition is actually uh, n plus 4, right? So it will increment the value 4. For the first time 0 of 4, it will print the first 4 characters, and then it will go for plus 4. So now n plus 4, 0 plus 4, it gives 4. So it check the condition 4 less than the 32 characters. So it is actually less than only. So now it will go for next iteration. Now what it will do, it will go for next iteration. So now that n value will be incremented 4 times. So now it will come here 4 of 4. So now what will happen, 4 of 4 in the sense it will pick the value for the next 4 characters. So likewise this loop will go, so and then it will print the value. So let's see the output of this. Yeah, now you can see now the IBAN value in the table is stored as without any space. So now you can see our output is giving the space between each and every four characters after that. So this is the requirement that we have achieved. So you may have the question like how we are getting the space. So what I'm doing is now so after every let's see the difference, so that you can get to know how we are getting that space. See here. So this time we are not getting the space between that IBAN value. So here in Abap 7.4, there is we have to give the space between this pipe symbol and then this curly braces. So then only that space will come. So for the first time we are declaring the string type of local variable during the initialization. After that, what we are doing, we are concatenating the value with fiban and with space. So we are going to give the space between pipe symbol and this curly braces. So now let's see the output of this. So let me run this program now. Yeah, now you can see we are getting the values with space after every 4 characters. So now I will bind this value in Adobe form and it will be displayed like this. So this is the actual requirement that I got for the Adobe form. So now I achieved this with the help of the value operator in single line of code. So this is the real-time scenario that I used reduce operator. Okay, please comment if you have any doubt. Thank you.